Hey guys, today you're checking out stock number 301770, and this is a 2026 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab AT4, and our color is Summit White. So let's take a look inside at some of our interior features that we've got on this unit. All right. So we've got power windows, mirrors with folding mirrors, power locks, memory seat, and a power driver seat with lumbar support. We've got our parking brake, 4x4 controls, interior and exterior lighting controls, the HUD with HUD settings, a power telescopic steering wheel, which also includes heat, forward collision alert, cruise control settings, hands-free, and stereo remote controls. We are satellite radio ready. We've got our push start ignition, electronic and dual climate control with heated and vented front seats. Got our lane keep assist, parking assist, auto start stop, tailgate release, traction control, and hill descent control. A couple USB charging ports, automatic transmission, trailer brake. We are also OnStar ready, and our interior color is jet black Kalahari. Moving on to our rear passenger features, we've got power windows, the 60/40 split bench seat, which also comes heated, a couple of USB charging ports for our rear passengers, and some extra storage compartments for you. And let's move on to our exterior. We've got our Sierra running boards, 20-inch GMC rims. We've got the tailgate step with the rear parking aid, a multi-gate tailgate with a rear view camera. It's also fob released, a spray-on box liner. And there you have it, guys. That's stock number 301770. You've just checked out the Summit White 2026 Sierra 1500 Crew Cab AT4. Thanks for watching.